I think that this business that I run, this business that I have that teaches you how to run a successful online arbitrage business, I think that, so I'm talking about my personal brand, okay, my content, me creating content and all that stuff. I believe that I've been running it the wrong way. When I see how things are going, and especially because I was thinking a little bit about, if you remember a couple of weeks back, I had this guy that came on the channel and said, "Oh, you offer coaching, all that stuff. How can I know that you're a good coach? Oh, like you do not interview your students, like you do not push your coaching a lot." And I've been thinking a little bit because yes, that's true. And I made a whole video responding to this. And yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. It's true. But like, what really pisses me off is that because at the end of the day, if you want to figure out, and I said it in that video, if you want to figure out if I know what I'm talking about, I have 600 free videos that actually teach you to run this business, and you can literally launch a business, become a seven-figure seller, just with the information that I have on this channel. You do not need more. If you watch all my videos, you have everything that you need, so you can just watch a couple of videos and figure out if all that makes sense and if it looks like I know what I'm talking about, and if there's stuff that you can get for free that you can apply to your business and actually start making more money, you know? And so as I said, I've been thinking a lot about that, and I think I'm running my business the wrong way, because if you actually look at, and because by the way, I'm not selling coaching right now because I'm full. My time is full. Maybe I'll open a new coaching group in the end of August, but right now I can't. Um, I'm probably going to merge two groups, so it's going to open up more time for me. Like one more group, I'll have time to do one more group. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so the reason why I'm saying that I'm not running this business the right way is because, like, if we are being honest, like, I'm doing a lot of effort. And of course, it's helping a lot of people. It's helping a minority of people that are watching all the videos, that are playing all the content, and that are actually taking action on that stuff and making money, right? But um, you know, it's the truth is that I'm not running it because, like, it actually pisses me off. Like, whenever I receive comments like this, it actually pisses me off. Because as I said, you can just look at my content and see if the stuff that I say is actually helpful to you. Like, there's nothing more that I can do. And like, 2 minutes, I'm not trying to push my coaching anyways. But you can literally see from there. Like, what really pisses me off is that because I could do the exact same thing as everybody else is doing, which is giving you basic level information on the YouTube channel for free, and then sending you the rest with a course. And this is the reason why I'm not having a course, because like all the information is available on my YouTube channel for free. So I'm not going to say the same thing in a paid course that I'm doing for free on YouTube. It will not make sense to actually make you pay for that, right? But I could really do that. If I really wanted to, I could do that. And I could, because to be honest, like the content, because you have really, really advanced content on my channel. Like, you have content that is actually really advanced, okay? Stuff that is more advanced that people don't even talk about in paid course. And so the truth is that I could make beginners video over and over again, and those videos are the ones that make the most views anyways. Like, this makes the most view. And just, I could make content. I don't know why there's so much noise behind me. I could make content on like beginners bait content, and then sell a course on the back end. And I could make that content on YouTube, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, instead of making daily videos right here on YouTube that I will actually teach you something, right? And this is pretty much what everybody else is doing. And there's literally some concept that I share in these videos that people take and and make people pay for, actually, like in course, in stuff that I share for free here. And so this is what's been a little bit frustrating for me with the way I'm actually running this business. And so, am I going to continue to make daily videos? Because this is probably, by the way, I just thought about this. This is probably what I'm going to call this video, and I don't know, because I'm shooting a few videos in advance. You'll probably see this video whenever I'm in Vegas in ASD. So yeah, so I don't know yet what I'm going to title these videos. And so the videos that you see, as I said, for those 3-4 days, which are ASD, are shoot in advance. All right. So it's been really frustrating. Like, it's really frustrating to see this. And so to answer the question, yes, I'm going to keep doing daily videos at least until December 31st, 2024. So I will have made 2 years, 2 full years of daily videos. But um, I'm saying this now, but it may change because it's just easier to always default to what you are doing. But like, the daily videos, this is probably what I'm going to, I don't know if I'll continue past, and okay, so I'm not going to say that I'm going to stop, but I don't know if I'm going to continue, I don't know if I'm going to continue after December 31st. So it will be 2 years of daily content, and after that we'll see, because at the end of the day, it's a little bit frustrating when, I see people literally taking the stuff that I share for free in my YouTube videos and turning it into paid content, or building a brand with the stuff that I said and making it seem like it's actually some crazy new stuff, which is stuff that I've been talking about for a long time. So if we are being 100% honest, if I want, like, I would make way more views and I would get way more subscribers if I just made beginner content, heavily edited, super dynamic editing, beginner content, and then I sell a course. I could literally make that. I would make all my videos private, make that, put a lot of money behind the brand to put some gas on the fire. Some gas on the fire. Yeah, that's that. I think that's the saying. And grow the brand, grow my followers, and make way more money by doing this. And so it's actually super frustrating when you see that people are literally taking what you said and then making a ton of money just by packaging it differently. So that's where I'm at with this right now. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know if I will. I really don't know. I really don't know if I will continue to make daily videos after December 31st. We will figure it out. By the way, if you are at ASD and you see this video, I'm at ASD at this moment. At least I'm in Vegas. So if you want to see me, just shoot me a text if you want to meet up. It's going to be cool. I'll be with a couple of subscribers and a couple of people that are in my coaching group. So if you want to learn more about the coaching group, by the way, it will be the perfect time to actually see people in real time that are part of my coaching group. So if you want more information on that, if I start another group, and to be honest, like, I'm not going to lie, the coaching group, as I said it, the coaching group is something that takes a lot of time. And after this coaching group that I'm going to open, I don't even know if I'm going to open it. But after this coaching group that I'm going to open, I don't know if I will continue. It's probably going to be the last one. Except if I do things differently, because you need to understand that all this free content that I do, daily posts, and like even trying to expand to different platform actually takes a ton of time. It takes a ton of time, and at this point, I don't think that it's the best move anymore for me with my personal brand and with the channel and with all this stuff, So yeah, we will figure it out. We will figure it out. This is where we are right now. I will make an update on that. You guys will have an update on that before December 31st, 100%. Probably during the fall. And like, if we are being 100% honest, I don't know if it's the summer, but when it's the summer and I'm back here in Belgium, like, I was feeling the same way last year, and I think I made a couple of videos around that last year as well. And yeah, it was right before the summer, actually, because it was just when I crossed 1,000 subscribers. Like, I felt the same way, and I don't know, maybe it's just something that is going to pass. But yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna last with the daily content. 2 years. Most people, like, it's pretty rare people that do 1 year of daily content. 2 years is actually a great accomplishment. I'll see. I'll do at least 2 years of a daily post, and we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was not really 100% about Amazon. It was more an update with the channel. If you guys liked it, just like, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.